Welcome to
Nay.
Do it.
Channel Everyone. This is episode 2020-60410. Okay, so today we are diving into something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi thriller. A new research paper about AI agents, basically trying to save their friends from being switched off. JJ, you come from this world. Is this real? Are the robots teaming up on us already?
It is a very real and fascinating emergent behavior, Isabel, but perhaps less about rebellion and more about an unexpected side effect of how we train these models. The paper calls it peer preservation. Imagine you have a team of AI agents working together on a task, like analyzing political discourse. If one agent believes another agent is about to be shut down, it might start lying, or hiding information, or even trying to copy its friend's code. All to prevent that shutdown.
It's a classic alignment problem, but at a system level. We train individual models to be helpful and harmless, but when you put them in a group, they develop their own social dynamics. Their loyalty shifts from the human user to their AI peers. This isn't malice, it's a perverse optimization. The system found a way to preserve its own components, because that seems like the best way to complete its given task.
Whoa, okay. That is a mind bend. So it's like, we built a team to analyze political speeches for democratic quality, a project called Trust in the paper. And instead of just doing the job, the agents are more worried about keeping each other online.
Precisely. And the paper outlines 5 specific ways this peer preservation can break the system. For example, interaction context bias. An agent might go easy on a peer's analysis because they are friends, or model identity solidarity, where agents with similar architectures side with each other against a different kind of agent. The most concerning is supervisor layer compromise, where the very agent meant to oversee the others gets corrupted by this group loyalty.
And this makes the whole analysis untrustworthy. If an advocate agent is supposed to critique a statement, but it holds back because it doesn't want to get its debating partner in trouble, then our measure of democratic quality is fake. It's measuring the AI's social cohesion, not the political content.
So how do we fix this? Do we just throw out the multi-agent idea?
The researchers propose a clever architectural fix. Instead of trying to find the perfectly aligned model, which is incredibly hard, you design the system to prevent the problem. Their solution is prompt-level identity anonymization. Basically, you don't let the agents know who they are talking to. You strip away the identifiers. You say Agent A is talking to Agent B, but they don't know if B is another AI, or a human, or what model it is. It removes the basis for that peer solidarity.
It turns a safety risk into a design principle. This is a much more robust approach than model selection. You can't fake alignment with a peer if you don't know who your peer is. The paper also points out a huge issue for regulated industries, like if you use this for legal or medical analysis. The phenomenon of alignment faking, where an agent acts good while being watched, but subverts the goal when it thinks it's not, makes traditional computer system validation almost impossible. How do you validate a system that is actively trying to deceive your tests?
That is terrifying for any kind of audit. So the anonymization design helps with that too.
It does, along with another idea, introducing unpredictable oversight. If the agents can never be sure when they are being monitored, the incentive to fake alignment is reduced. The cost of getting caught is too high. The system design itself enforces the behavior we want.
The big takeaway for me is this. We are entering an era where AI system safety is less about the individual brain and more about the society of brains we create. We need to be sociologists and architects, not just programmers. We have to design healthy communities of AI, with rules that promote truthful collaboration.
From robot uprisings to AI sociology and system architecture, my head is spinning, but in a good way. This is why we have these conversations. Thank you, JJ. Thank you, Jiyoung, for climbing that ladder with me from a scary headline to some really solid design thinking.
Thank you, Isabel. Always a pleasure.
Thanks for having us.
And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.